At KO Plumbing, we care about our relationships with our customers. We have proven that for over 30 years. My father, Claude, started this company, and now it's time for me to carry on the same traditions and dedications for our customers. KO Plumbing, Tim speaking. How may I help you? As always, we're reliable, trustworthy, and professional. No matter when you call, you can be sure you'll get the service you need. Daytime, nights, weekends, or holidays. Call KO and we'll be on our way. Broken water pipes?
Call KO.
Leaky faucet?
Call KO.
So remember, for all your professional plumbing needs, call KO Plumbing.